Eyewitness News reporter Matthew Campbell is joining us tonight. Matthew, you actually spoke with a 9-year-old who contracted the virus, correct?
Yeah, Mark, we did. And this really goes to show that even children are not immune.
I had to stay home for 2 weeks, distance learning.
It was a stunner when 9-year-old Dylan Hughes came down with the coronavirus at the beginning of the year.
It blew my mind when his father told me that he had COVID.
Once I got the coronavirus without any symptoms, somehow.
Thankfully, Dylan was asymptomatic and is back to his healthy self tonight. But Mom Alvina is still worried because the numbers in New London County are rising. The health district says they're seeing, quote, sporadic clusters in daycares and summer school settings.
A substantial portion of the population in the U.S. is unvaccinated because they don't have a choice to become vaccinated. There is no approved vaccine.
Dr. Jessica Holzer from the University of New Haven's Health Sciences Department explains why the chances our children could get the virus seems to be increasing.
If you don't think of them as kids, but you just think of them as a group of unvaccinated individuals, they are going to have, that's where the reservoir is going to be for the virus.
While the age range of cases aren't shown, take a look at this week-to-week chart put out by the Ledgelight Health District. Cases spiked in the winter, then dropped dramatically during the vaccine rollout. However, looking at the last 2 weeks, we're seeing an increase, and this has prompted the CDC and now the state's Department of Public Health to recommend people wear masks indoors in New London, New Haven, and Hartford counties, regardless of their vaccination status. Dr. Holzer says your county could be next.
The only way to stay out of the masking advisory is going to be to mask.
But tonight we learned not many are heeding that advice in this Uncasville Plaza.
Maybe 45%.
Oh, maybe a third. Had
them.
Yes.
And for parents who lived through a personal COVID nightmare with their child, they're hoping people will get vigilant once again.
I have my 9-year-old son to worry about, and he's like my whole world.
Everybody's got their own feelings about it, about vaccination and wearing a mask, but I don't want to get sick.
Now, here's the latest from New Haven County. I want to show you the top 4 towns that are seeing the highest positivity rate here in the county. They are Ledyard, New London, Stonington, and Old Lyme. And we did reach out to the health district to get some important clarification because we wanted to know if it's the kids or the workers at these daycares or summer schools that are really responsible for these infections and these clusters. But we did not hear back. That is the latest live here in Ledyard. Matthew Campbell, Channel 30 News.
All right, Matthew, thank you very much. And as cases rise